हाँ
दैट
वो वही
मीन्स
देख रहा हूँ मैं।
जा रही है।
सो इट विल बी अ inner child healing where Neha will give deep inductions, then deepeners. आवाज क्लियर है ना? डीपनर्स में उसको जो भी अभी उसकी ऑनेस्ट एज वो बताएगी तुमको, तो वो एज उतनी सीढ़ियां पीछे लेके जाना है नीचे. देन टेक हर टू द वूम, मेक हर फील हाउ कंफर्टेबल शी वाज इन द वूम. यूज जो भी क्रिएटिविटी लगानी है वो लगा लो, नो वन इज स्टॉपिंग यू. और फिर वहां पे उसको जो भी उसने सुना होगा, जो भी कुछ होगा, गेट हर टू दैट लेवल दैट यस शी इज एबल टू लिसन व्हाटएवर शी मस्ट हैव लिसन. रिलीज दैट, देन स्लोली गेट हर बैक ईच एंड एवरी स्टेज. लाइक शुरू शुरू में वूम में से बाहर निकालते वक्त, लाइक फोर्थ मंथ फिफ्थ मंथ से लेके या उससे पहले भी अगर जा सको वहां तक जाके वापस बाहर लाना है. And then every step, like, and then while coming back you can say like for first year, third year, fifth year, seventh year, ninth, 11th, 13th, इस तरह से सारे ऑड नंबर्स ले लेना, इवन पे मत जाना. जाते वक्त और इवन से जाओ, लाइक 34, 32, 30, एंड आते वक्त और से आना. डन.
So womb till which month did you say?
मैं प्रेफरेबली एटलीस्ट टेक टिल फोर्थ मंथ, जहाँ पे फोर्थ मंथ में सेरेब्रल कॉर्टेक्स डेवलप होना शुरू होता है, फोर्थ मंथ के एंड में. फिफ्थ मंथ में एक्चुअल सेरेब्रल कॉर्टेक्स डेवलप होता है. तो वहां वहां तक लेके जाओ एंड गेट इट डन. ले जाने को तो तुम उसको और पीछे भी लेके जा सकती हो, बट गो टिल फिफ्थ मंथ, फोर्थ और फिफ्थ मंथ.
सर
हाँ जी.
ये इनर हीलिंग है वो 4 मंथ से भी हो सकता है, क्योंकि मैंने तो सुना है कि भाई बाहर आता है बच्चा,
हाँ.
तब उसके साथ कोई भी दुखद घटना होती है, या कोई किसी को अब्यूज करता है या कोई निग्लेक्ट करता है, उसकी वजह से ये इनर हीलिंग होता है. तो ये वूम में कैसे, क्योंकि वूम में तो सभी एक ही एनवायरनमेंट में होते हैं ना.
नहीं सर, क्या होता है कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी यहाँ पे भी जितने भी लेडीज हैं, विद ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट टू everyone must have gone through a different phase of pregnancy. फिफ्थ मंथ ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी में, फोर्थ फिफ्थ मंथ ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी में जो एनवायरनमेंट बाहर का होता है, that directly the child starts registering in his brain. And when the child comes out of the body, many children who are affected with ADHD is because of the pregnancy which the mother has faced, a tough pregnancy. वहां पर जाकर आप हीलिंग करते हो तो बहुत ज्यादा फर्क पड़ता है, एंड इट इज प्रैक्टिकली पॉसिबल. इनर चाइल्ड हीलिंग जो लोगों ने ऑनेस्टली, आई नॉट ब्लेम एनीवन, बट कुछ लोगों ने उसकी दुकान खोल के रखी है, बट इट इज द इजीएस्ट वे दैट फाइनली योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड नोज दैट यू कैन गो इनसाइड योर मदर्स वूम, सी द थिंग. सिर्फ फाइनली लॉजिक क्या है सर इसमें, जो भी आपके दिमाग में खलन भरी हुई है उसको क्लियर कर दो, बैगेज हल्का कर दो, बाहर आ जाओ, लाइफ बिकम्स इजी. बहुत ज्यादा तामझाम की जरूरत नहीं होती है बहुत सी चीजों में. बस मतलब 10 रुपए की चीज 1000 रुपए में कैसे बेचनी है, उस तामझाम के चक्कर में बड़े बड़े नाम दिए जाते हैं. लॉजिक एक ही है कि आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में जो भरा हुआ है, डीपनर जो लगे हुए हैं माँ की वजह से, डैडी की वजह से, उसको रिलीज करना है. इट वर्क्स 100%. आई हैव ट्राइड इट ऑन माई सेल्फ, इट वर्क्स. क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा अगर हम लोग जाते हैं ना कि वैसा वैसा वैसा, इट इज नॉट नीडेड. कीप द लाइफ सिंपल. चीजें सिंपल जितने रखोगे बहुत आसानी से रिजल्ट्स मिलते हैं. तो ये मेरा मानना है, ये आज तक मैंने किया है. तो ये लाइक मेरे अपने बेटे का मैंने किया था. ही जब वो NICU में था, लाइक अभी मैंने 3-4 महीने पहले किया था, तो ही केम आउट विद द एक्चुअल सेंटेंस कि वहां पे जब वो NICU में था तो वहां के उसके जो नर्सेस थे वो उसको बोलते थे तू घर नहीं जा पाएगा. और वो डीप इम्पैक्ट इतना ज्यादा था उसके माइंड में दैट ही यूज्ड टू क्राई वेरी ऑफन. वहां ले जाके उसके माइंड में से वो निकाला, एंड देन आई स्पोक विद द कंसर्न डॉक्टर who is the authority of that hospital कि ऐसा ऐसा NICU में हुआ था. भले मैं बोला अभी वो nurses वहाँ के बदल गए होंगे, but at least tell your nurses that they should not speak this way even for a newborn baby, because finally the child registers everything. And he accepted it very honestly कि हाँ ये ऐसा होता है. बहुत बार ऐसे nurses भी मतलब परेशान होके कभी कभी बोल देते हैं. And my child could exactly say कि ऐसा nurse ने बोला था. तो it is practically possible कि we can do it. फिर उसके पहले का उसकी जरूरत नहीं पड़ी, वहीं पर उसको heal हो गया, उसके दिमाग में से वो statements हटा दिए, and now he is happy. तो ये possible होता है. Just we have to give the right amount of inductions and right amount of deepeners. बिल्कुल होता है. So Neha will be doing it. I'm किसको spotlight पे डालूं? नेहा को डालूं, श्वेता पे डालूं? श्वेता. Sure. Neha, good luck. Best of luck, and I 100% trust you that you will be able to do it.
Thank you, sir.
Shweta,
I'll try my level best.
I know you will do it. And Shweta, you be a good receptant. Receive it with open mind.
Yeah.
And make sure that you are able to release the things. The best of luck to both of you.
Yes, sir.
Start.
Shweta, sit comfortably. Make yourself as comfortable as you can.
And one more thing, Neha, be original in your own voice. Don't try to imitate. जो कल मैंने कहा वैसा करने की कोशिश मत करो अभी. जैसे भी तुमको आता है, be yourself.
Yeah.
But give your 100%. I guarantee you that you will be able to make her cry. कर दो.
Right. Okay, I hope you're now comfortable in your chair. Rest your arms carefully and in a relaxing positions. Ensure that your arms and your feet are not crossed. Now take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Take another long deep breath. Going deep. And exhale. Now, as you're listening to my voice, you will continue to focus on your breathing. Breathe deep, breathe, breathe. I'll be counting back from 25 to 1. And with every count, your mind and your body will slowly get into a relaxed state. You will feel completely relaxed. 25. Keep relaxing. 24. 23. Your eyelids are now becoming heavier. 22. 21. Relax. 20. As I'll reach the count of 15, you will lose complete control on your neck, and you can choose to keep it either to the left or to the right or move it to the front. 19. 18. 17, relaxing further. 16. 15, you will now lose control on your neck. 14. 13. Relax. 12. 11. Now, as I count from 10 to 1, you will reach a deeper state of sleep, relaxation. 10, 9, relax. 8, you're getting into a deep state of trance. 7, 6, going deeper. 5, and deeper. 4, You're now in a deep state of trance. 3, 2, and 1. You are now completely relaxed. I'll be now counting from 5 to 1, and you will continue relaxing even further, and you'll reach a state of deeper relaxation. 5, 4, 3, going deeper, 2, and 1. Mind and body completely relaxed. You're connected with my voice, and now in this deep state of relaxation, see a gate before you. This gate has a beautiful golden knob which you need to open. I'll be counting now from 1 to 3, and at the count of 3, you will slowly open this knob and enter what lies in front of you. 1, slowly you are opening the knob. 2, and 3, the door is now open. Look below and you'll see a flight of stairs. There are 34 stairs that you need to climb down. See this beautiful staircase going down. I'll be counting, and every step that you take, with every step, you will release all negative patterns that you have accumulated, all negative thoughts, negative events. You will relax yourself and let go of all worries, all tensions. You now descend. 34, going down, releasing all your negative thoughts, all negative emotions, all the negative events. 32, going down, 30, 30. Just see all the events that have taken place and let go of all the grudges that you're holding on to that are not allowing you to progress in this life. 28. You are releasing all the negative patterns. 26. See yourself relaxing with every step you're taking down. 24. 24, 22, letting go of all negativity. 20, going down further. 18, if you feel like crying, if you feel like displaying your emotions, lighten yourself. 16, relax and let go. 14, you're feeling lighter with every step that you're taking back. You're feeling lighter. You know you're feeling lighter. You're feeling calm and peaceful inside. 14, going down, 12, relax, 10, you're going back in your rage and releasing all negative thoughts, Shweta, that you have accumulated in these years. 8, 6, 4, 2. You're just there, and now imagine yourself in your mother's womb. You are in a safe place, a safe, protected home for yourself while you are in your mother's womb. She's taking complete care of you, and you feel blessed and protected. Go back in your thoughts and try and remember all negative thoughts, words, events that you might have experienced, your parents might have experienced at that time while you were still in your mother's womb. Release all these negative emotions, leave them there, and imagine yourself now getting filled with a beautiful, clean, clear, white light, dissolving all these negative thoughts and filling you up with positivity and good feelings. Feel yourself releasing negativity and taking in, soaking in the positive light, making you feel lighter. Stay in this positive light for a couple of moments and feel relaxed and blessed. You are feeling completely at peace. You've left all your emotional baggage. As I count from 1 to 5, you will be ready to take in as much as positivity as you can. 1, feeling peaceful. 2, cleansed. 3, you're free from all the emotional baggage, feeling lighter. 4, and 5. You are now rejuvenated, positive, ready to revisit all the years you've lived up till now, but with positive thoughts and emotions. Shweta will be now climbing the stairs back to the golden gate that we saw. And with every step that you'll now take, you will be infused with positivity and you will feel like a new Shweta is taking this journey. Taking the stairs now, going from 1 to 34, you're now on step 1. Feeling as relaxed and positive as you can. You're taking this flight of stairs up. Number 3, you're all positive, all rejuvenated now. Number 5, you're going up. You're completely healed. Know that you are completely healed. Going up. Number 7, this is a new you. Number 9, happy. If you feel like smiling, smile. 11, going up, going up. Number 13, you don't recall any negative emotions now. All you remember is the positivity that you have taken from the white light. Number 15. Going up, 17. We're there. Number 19. You're doing a fantastic job. 21. Going further up, feeling further cleansed with every step that you're taking. Number 23. 25. 27. All cleansed and pure. 29. We're just there. 31. 33. You're now ready to open the golden gate once again. But before you do that, look back once again and thank the universe for this wonderful experience that it has given you. Be in deep gratitude of all these emotions and know that you are healed completely. As I'll count from 3 to 1, you will open the knob and you will come out of this golden gate. 3, 2, and 1. You've opened the gate and now you are completely at peace, happy, relaxed and calm, ready to experience positivity in this life. Know that you are healed and you will live a blissful life from here on. I'll be now counting back from 10 to 1 and you will come back to this life still in this positive frame of mind. Be ready to come back. 10, 9, you've had a wonderful experience. Be happy. 8, 7, by the time I reach 3, you'll move your arms and you'll rub your palms and bring them to your face. 6, 5, 4, ready to move your arms and rub your palms. 3, bring your palms to your face. 3, 2, and 1. You are back. You're back from trance. You may now open your eyes. Shweta, as you're listening to me, you will now open your eyes. Come back. Open, open, open.
On the count of 5, as you are listening my voice, you'll be coming back to the normal stage. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Open your eyes.
No, I was fine actually.
Yes.
It took me a bit longer to open my eyes just because you forgot to ask my age before we started.
Oh, I could make out, but she did a wonderful session.
Yes, but actually मुझे आपके सजेशंस लाइक ऑब्वियसली इट वाज रियली गुड, बट कहीं ना कहीं फिर मुझे सेल्फ पे जाना पड़ा बिकॉज आप मेरी एज से
हाँ
6 साल,
एक्चुअल एज से 6 साल नीचे आ गए.
यस यू स्टार्टेड विद 34 एंड आई एम 40.
Actually, I heard 34, so I thought it was 34.
No,
I'm sorry.
you didn't even ask me, na Neha, but it was really wonderful. But
बहुत अच्छा.
as you started the process, so I had to do it anyhow. So that was the only reason कि मैं
Like-
आपके कमांड से थोड़ा पीछे होती गई, तो आँख खोलने को टाइम लगा because 40 से नीचे गई and then 40 तक ऊपर आई.
चलो,
Realist
great.
तक.
So you could go in the womb and experience it. You could release the memories. You could feel something. Session she did was amazing, no doubt
Session
about
was really amazing,
Huh.
I would say, but sorry to say, but as I said, कि my subconscious like rejected the command at the first stage only, no, like 34.
क्योंकि 40 से 34 का हुआ था.
40 से 34 वो वहीं reject हो गया, तो
Okay, so we'll take it
but
this
it
way.
was really wonderful. बहुत
We'll
अच्छा
take
किया.
it
It was
this way.
very soothing.
So
But
Neha,
sir, please can you do something for my headache because now it's very heavy and
okay, can you
Hard
see
beats.
my, okay, just Neha, just give me 1 minute. You are able to see my finger?
yeah.
Clear? Watch the tip of the finger. Head is spinning, 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 spin, 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 head is spinning, 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 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. पानी पी लो थोड़ा. So after this wonderful session, the first thing what we learned today is we should always allow the person to speak. We should ask the right set of questions. जैसा for example, शायद नेहा ने कहाँ गलती की, गलती in the sense she heard that I said that count from 34, 35, 36. So she assumed that her age is 35. So in fact, Shweta, you should be thankful कि तुम 40 की लग नहीं रही हो. You are looking like she should
Sir,
have
that
counted
is-
from 25.
That is another thing. That's why I didn't open my eyes when she said
You
34.
should- she should have-
I
She could have
totally
counted from 25
cooperated
also.
her. मैंने
She
उसको
could
पूरा
have
इसलिए
that.
counted from
cooperate
25.
किया. Obviously, I was happy. 6 साल पीछे लाए हो यार.
Please
Yes,
take it as a compliment.
Yeah, I took
So-
it as a compliment only. Thank you so much.
Yes,
And you
बहुत
know, when
अच्छा
it
हुआ.
comes from a girl, you know, it matters.
बहुत अच्छा हुआ. And I'm really happy that you could do it wonderfully. सिर्फ एक बात हमेशा फिर अभी ध्यान में रख लेना कि always ask the client that what is the present age. Whenever you are doing any such session,
Yeah.
age definitely पूछ लेना. It helps क्योंकि बाद में फिर ऐसा बाउंसर हो जाता है. मैं आपने तो मेरा एक चुका ही नहीं, अगर आपने 5,000 रुपीज लिए होंगे सेशन के तो आपकी तो मेहनत गई. तो हमेशा एज पूछ लो. But overall, I would say 100 out of 99 you scored completely. बहुत 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 अच्छा था. बहुत अच्छा था. Your voice tonality was amazing. The
Thank you.
creativity which you used was amazing. The commands which you gave were amazing, and it could actually, even I could feel my head heavy at times. बहुत ज़्यादा heavy हो गया था. So I had to cut off finally at a particular time कि हाँ अब मैं बाहर आ जाऊँ उसमें से. So you did an amazing job. बहुत अच्छा किया.
Thank you.
बहुत अच्छा. And yes, और इसके बाद मैं थोड़ा सा आज का ज्ञान बांटने की कोशिश करता हूँ. And then again, by the time Rachna comes back, we have to do a second session. हाँ, अब तक किस किसने क्या क्या सीखा है? Because I have a question now. Tell me any 5 hypnotic lines which you hear in the daily life. Anyone? 5 hypnotic lines which you hear in the daily life. कहीं से भी सीखते हो. And you will find them very easily the moment you open your Gmail every day, जो heading lines आते हैं, most of the Gmail promotional letters, promotional mails are completely hypnotic commands. So कौन 5 अलग-अलग चीजें बता पाएगा? 5 lines which you hear in the daily life. Today we'll try to speak different about hypnosis, not only about that subconscious mind and other thing. Main concept मेरा inner child healing का था, वो अभी हुआ. So इसकी script कौन लिखेगा? Whoever takes the responsibility, yes, you write down the script. It will be helpful for everyone and submit in the group. So tell me 5 hypnotic commands. मैं भी script share करूंगा inner child healing की, but the way it has been done this way. Now I have a request for everyone. Those who must have learned inner child healing from anywhere or must have heard about it, that it is a complicated thing, it is this thing कि इतने आसान कैसे हो सकता है? बहुत से लोगों के दिमाग में आया होगा है ऐसा आलतू फालतू थोड़ी होगा, इतने 5 मिनट में अगर inner child healing होने लगा तो कैसे होगा? This comes in the mind because since childhood we have always given a thought that life is not easy, life is struggle. But I guarantee you that if you do inner child healing in this way, it will give you 200% result. Because you don't need to make the things complicated. Simple rakho life ko, simple cheeze karo, things become easy. You don't have to add complications in the life, especially when it comes to spirituality, especially when it comes to healing mechanisms. Keep it simple, because you are not dealing with machines, you are dealing with people who are product of emotions. आप उनके emotions को हाथ लगाओ, immediately चीजें काम करनी शुरू करती है. Complicated कहाँ है? Complicated काम doctors के पास होता है, surgeons के पास होता है, because they really need to apply that brain की कहाँ पे क्या करना है. They are cutting open the body, it's a complicated thing. But here we are working on the physical body, on the emotional level. Use it as creative as possible and you will see that you are able to give better results than anyone who has done inner child healing from anywhere in the world. मैं लिख के दे सकता हूँ आप लोगों को, कहीं से भी किसी ने भी किया हो inner child healing, आप आपके क्लाइंट को पहले उसके पास भेजो एंड फिर आप करो, आप दोनों में डिफरेंस देखोगे. लिख के दूंगा मैं. Because keep the things simple. उस इंसान के इमोशंस को हाथ लगाओ. Try to touch the emotions of the person, because emotions create motions. The moment you touch the emotions, the person starts thinking about it. But if you treat the person as a machine, like now I'm counting from 25 to 1, see how this door is opening. उसको orders, commands मत दो. जितना request mode में जहाँ command देनी है वहाँ command भी दो. But keep it simple. चीजें आसान हो जाएंगी. जिन लोगों को सोलमेट हीलिंग और क्या क्या ये सब आजकल आया है, डीएनए हीलिंग करने के लिए, चलो और एक सिंपल बात बताता हूँ, एंड इट वर्क्स. डीएनए हीलिंग अगर करना है ना किसी का भी, लाइक whoever wants to work out on the DNA healing, take a DNA diagram in front of you, show that diagram to your client also. Just clear your basic concepts about DNA, that how exactly DNA works, and you will be able to clear his DNA healing. You will be able to do his DNA healing. It is not a high funda magic. The only thing which requires is you need to understand that how the DNA functions. It works. जिस तरह से आप गाड़ी चलाते हो, एक बार अगर आपको मारुति 800 चलाने को आ गई, तो you can drive a BMW. Just the thing is, it has a different mechanism. Understand the mechanism and you will be able to drive the BMW. It is simple as driving a car. Understand the logic, understand the process, and it will happen. यकीन दिला के कह सकता हूँ. Don't fall trap to any sorts of so-called, मतलब DNA healing के नाम पे तो लोग 25-25 हजार रुपए देते हैं. You can charge whatever you want from your client, but you can give them better results in the simplest possible way. But tell them that what is DNA, explain them that this way it works, this way it can happen, and then you are giving a logic to them that this way this is entering, this way that is entering. उनके दिमाग के सामने वो विजुअल क्रिएट करो, चीजें आसान हो जाएंगी. So don't think that this is tough, that is tough, इतने आसानी से कैसे होगा, क्योंकि जिन लोगों को लगेगा कि इतने आसानी से कैसे होगा, उनके साथ ये कभी नहीं होगा. But the moment you start believing that yes, it will happen, it will happen. Sir, 100% काम करता है, सबके लिए काम करता है. But if you think that it is a complicated thing, how it will happen, how it can happen so easily, then it can never happen easily. पक्का बोल सकता हूँ. Please अपने आप को म्यूट कर दीजिए. It can never happen if you think that it is tough. जिस दिन आपने पहली बार रोटी बनानी सीखी थी, अगर आप ये सोचते कि रोटी बनाना टफ है, तो आज आप रोटी नहीं बनाते. You would have given up easily. So it depends upon your thought process, that how you are thinking about it and what things can happen. So ये मत सोचना कि विवेक ने इतने आसानी से बता दिया, ऐसे थोड़ी होता है. बहुत से लोगों के सबकॉन्शियस माइंड ने या कॉन्शियस माइंड ने भी रिजेक्ट कर दिया होगा, इतने आसानी से पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. But I can tell you 100%, if Neha does it again for anyone, she will be able to do it 100% in a better way. ये कॉन्फिडेंस मुझे आ गया because the way she did it, it was amazing and it helped 100%. जब श्वेता का प्रॉब्लम ये हुआ कि वो 6 साल का ईयर गैप है, वो कॉन्शियसली एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पाई, but it worked. So don't lose your heart. The only thing is use, जो भी करेगा, whoever wants to try, even at home, do it creatively. जब मैंने अपने 11 साल के बेटे पे किया था, तो यही लॉजिक यूज किया था कि इस तरह से देखो, इस तरह से देखो, it works. And that's the reason I wanted you guys to do it, so that you gain that confidence. 100% होगा. So now tell me 5 hypnotic commands which you listen in the daily life. कौन बताएगा? I will put it on the main screen. 5 hypnotic commands which we listen in the daily life. सब जगह सुनते हैं हम लोग. बोलो तो
Sir,
सही.
you can do the things. Well done. Give it up.
किसने बोला ये? Yes, it works. It definitely works. It definitely works. And most of the emails which you open up in the morning, you will see that such taglines are there. You can do it. Think of the body you always wanted. This is the body you always wanted. This was the taste you always thought of. कोई भी ऐसा hypnotic command जो आपको खींच लेता है, it bypasses your conscious mind and it enters your subconscious mind. That is a hypnotic command. वहाँ कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि वो कोई ऐसा हाई फंडा कमांड हो, कोई बहुत जरूरी नहीं है कि ऐसा वैसा हो. It's all about your language which you bypass your conscious mind and get into the subconscious mind. कोई बहुत बड़ा जादू नहीं होता है उसमें. It's as easy as you think. So think it in a different way, think it in a weird way, and you will see that things are getting better. बहुत ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेशंस करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है लाइफ में.
विवेक जी, एक वर्ड मुझे याद आ रहा है जो कि सबसे ज़्यादा और सबसे ज़बरदस्त हिप्नोटिक वर्ड है. कमांड की ज़रूरत ही नहीं, सिर्फ एक वर्ड अकेला किसी भी चीज़ के साथ फ्री लगा दो बस.
Absolutely. Absolutely it works. Absolutely it works. किसी के साथ भी फ्री लगा देते हो तो लोग देखते हैं, एंड एटलीस्ट एक बार तो खोल के देखने की नौबत, एटलीस्ट दे ट्राई कि whatever is free, at least give it a try. Even if you write a tagline that nothing comes free, still people will open it. So that is a biggest hypnotic command. It works.
Sir, even idea, the word idea. If
Idea,
you say,
yes.
हाँ,
Yes.
idea, चला आपण हे करूया, that way.
Yes.
Hmm.
चलो जाएं. Hypnotic commands are regularly used in life, no matter where you are. How
न्यूज
you
चैनल
think
पे
about-
ब्रेकिंग न्यूज,
हाँ,
न्यूज चैनल पे ब्रेकिंग न्यूज,
yes.
they keep bombarding us.
Because those are like present continuous commands. Current pacing equation, current pacing जब हम कहते हैं NLP में, so continuously bombarding the commands on your mind.
So one more thing I can remember as I am a teacher.
Hmm.
Are you audible? Are you there? We keep asking our children.
हाँ, yes, it is a hypnotic command. Definitely, it's a hypnotic command.
Sir,
Because that helps you to get the presence, understand the presence of the mind for the child, whether he or she is there in the class, whether he or she is physically present or not. It definitely works. और कौन कौन बताएगा, जल्दी जल्दी बताओ.
सर जैसे
सर?
मेरे
सर,
ब्रदर
एक
की
और है,
हाँ, बोलिए बोलिए.
एक और हिप्नोटिक कमांड है जो यूजुअली फीमेल्स यूज करती है। अरे पता है आज क्या हुआ था? तुरंत फोकस वहां आ जाता है कि हाँ अब बताओ व्हाट इज द गॉसिप। उठो बाबू उधर आ जाओ।
फीमेल को आजकल अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए एक और बहुत ज़्यादा आप हर जगह देखोगे, वर्क फ्रॉम होम.
हाँ,
Yes,
वर्क
Yes.
फ्रॉम होम.
yes, yes. तो जैसे मेरे ब्रदर की टैगलाइन है थकना मना है, तो वो बहुत फेमस है उसकी टैगलाइन.
क्या थकना मना है?
हाँ, हिप्नोटिक कमांड मतलब पूरे ऑफिस में वो है कि थकना मना है.
Okay, that's nice. So does he use it in his daily life?
Yes.
और कौन कौन से कमांड्स बताओगे?
Sir, real estate में your dream house is waiting for you, mostly to attract clients.
Yes. DS के विश्व की एक मराठी में ऐड आती थी, घराला घरपण देणारी माणसं. Like we give the value to your house.
Right.
Finally अभी DS के साहब गए जेल में. That's a different story. नोकिया का टैगलाइन क्या था?
Connecting
Nokia का
people.
tagline.
Connecting people.
Connecting people.
Connecting people. It was a very positive tagline. And it worked immediately. It
Nike
worked.
का just do it.
Nike का just do it. Yes.
Sir,
these
walk and talk.
taglines. Pardon me?
Walk and talk.
सर
Walk and talk.
I
Walk and
ट्रैक
talk क्या था?
करने के लिए मार्केट
सर
में
आइडिया का था.
सेल वर्ड यूज होता है, हिप्नोटिक कमांड। सेल का वो एक बार बोर्ड लगा देते हैं तो बहुत सारे कस्टमर आते हैं।
कौन सा
Sale, sale.
Sale.
Sale, 50%
70%
off.
off.
Yes, sale is also a
Buy
good
one
hypnotic
get two
command.
free.
You get attracted towards it. आप आपके मम्मी को लेके जाते हो कि नहीं?
Previously, one more used to come, like Hutch Network. Wherever you go, Hutch Network follows.
Vodafone का जो
Vodafone,
है.
yeah.
So anything which comes with a tagline, it works. आप वहां पर फिर दूसरा और एक hypnotic command. Without even saying anything, you will experience it. Can anyone tell? कुछ नहीं बोलता है सामने वाला, फिर भी वो चीज देख के आपको सब कुछ, सारी दुनिया भर की भूख याद आती है. Try to understand, try to recollect it. What is that? सोचो. चलो हिंट देता हूं, पुणे के लोगों को और जल्दी से ध्यान में आ जाएगा. नटराज का बस स्टॉप, डेक्कन जिमखाना से पहले जो नटराज टॉकीज हुआ करता था, नटराज का बस स्टॉप, वहां पर वो हिंट है. प्रकाश साहब, नटराजचा बस स्टॉप ॲलन सॉलीच्या शोरूमच्या समोर आहे. Rachi, you are in Pune, right?
Yes, sir. But I thought about Chitre. आमची कुठेही शाखा नाही.
Chitra nahi. That is not near Nataraj. I am talking exactly about the old Nataraj theater. Nataraj का जो bus stop था.
Okay. I
थोड़ा सा
just
पहले आ जाओ, वहां पे वो है. And the moment everywhere in the world, the moment you see that sign, you start feeling hungry whether you like it or not.
वड़ा पाव.
Nahi. Vada pav is a different story. Vada pav,
Okay.
but that particular thing which you see, you start getting tempted, and that is also a biggest hypnotic command. That's the reason you are learning
sign-
hypnosis.
McDonald's
sign
symbol.
of McD.
मैकडोनल्ड्स का वो जो बाबा बैठा हुआ रहता है ना, चाहे आप कितने भी भूखे हो, no matter how much your tummy is filled, still you are tempted to have that, because that is a hypnotic suggestion given to your mind. So whenever you are promoting your business, whenever you are promoting yourself, in no matter in which business you are, try to have your tagline, try to have your logo, try to have something which is unique. So people will come to you. Otherwise, why should people come to you? आमची कुठेही शाखा नाही म्हणणारे लोक शेवटी गळात जातात काही वर्षांनी. जेवढे दिवस चालू आहेत तेवढे दिवस चालू आहेत. Numerologically they are not well. One or the other day they will fail. चितळे बंधू मिठाई वाले. Numerological calculation is not good. Someday they will face the problem. And it will happen sure. That too because of the food poisoning. That too because of food poisoning. It will happen. अभी कुछ नहीं बोल सकते, but they should preferably correct their name. It will help them.
People trust them here in Pune a lot. All over the world also.
That's fine. All over the world, they are one of the leading brands in India also. But the name calculation is not perfect. Someday it will create a problem. So it makes a difference. So whenever you are working for anything, try to build your own logo. Try to build your own identity. Try to build your existence so that people come to you.
विवेक जी, मैंने बैकग्राउंड में लोगो चेंज किया है, देखो.
देखा, जबरदस्त है वो. It is amazing. I'll put you on the pin. सर आप हट जाओ चाहिए. हाँ, yes. थोड़ा सा हट जाओ. She has made an amazing logo. Complete balanced, complete protected, and the energies which it is getting out of alpha, it is amazing.
मैंने खुद डिजाइन किया सर ये.
आपने खुद डिजाइन किया, उसमें का अल्फा आपने नोटिस किया क्या?
सर स्पेशली रखवाया है सर, एक चीज.
हाँ, अंक सत्व में जो अल्फा बना है ना, that is an amazing and a very powerful symbol. बहुत 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 ज्यादा पावरफुल बना है लोगों. Plus the arrow which is going from down towards the upper point of the alpha, that is also powerful. N भी बहुत powerful बना हुआ है. Last का V और A, any specific thing for V and A? अलग बनाया है थोड़ा. It will take you to a very different level. बहुत बहुत ही अच्छा बना है. इसमें का सबसे पॉजिटिव पॉइंट है अल्फा. A person who understands the logo can easily say that yes, alpha is very powerful. नहीं तो पढ़ने वाले इसको सिर्फ अंक सत्व के नाम पे पढ़ेंगे, बट इसमें का अल्फा ज्यादा पावरफुल है. जैसा वो बीच में मनोज जी ने जो कॉफी मग का बनाया था एड, सी होल्डिंग द कॉफी, बहुत पावरफुल बनाया ये. वेरी नाइस.
जिससे बनवाया था सर उसने 150 आइडिया दे दी, ऐसे नहीं ऐसे कर लो. मैं कहा भाई जो कह रहा हूँ सिर्फ उतना काम करो. और अगर आप बैकग्राउंड में भी देखोगे तो आपको इन्फिनिटी नजर आएगा इस एरिया में.
इन्फिनिटी नजर आता है. बस पीछे का जो बैकग्राउंड है वो भी बहुत अच्छा है. लोगों के पीछे जो है वो
वही कह रहा हूँ मैं. उसमें आपको बैकग्राउंड में ना सेल्फ में इन्फिनिटी नजर आएगा. दो है तो ये सर्कल्स हैं, छोटे छोटे लाइफ के सर्कल्स.
यस.
बट ये लाइफ के सर्कल जरूर है, बट इनकी क्योंकि इतना लाइट किया है इन्हें ताकि ये समवेयर समहाउ ये इन्फिनिटी शो कर सके.
फीलिंग दे रहा है वो.
एंड मल्टीपल इन्फिनिटीज आर ओवर देयर.
मल्टीपल इन्फिनिटीज आर देयर इफ इट इज टेकन.
और हाँ जी, और इसको इस साइड का जो एरिया है वो हमने स्पेशली एक ऑफिस की लुक दिया, प्रोफेशनलिज्म देते हुए.
बिल्कुल, बहुत ही अच्छा लोगो बनाया है. बहुत अच्छा बना है, बहुत अच्छा. So everyone should have their unique thing, no matter in which business you are. Try to find out what different you can give to your client, or even to yourself. Because if you want to create something different, you should have something different. वरना लोग आपके पास क्यों आए? What is your USP? Like suppose if I have to ask anyone, Rachi, you are a teacher, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is your USP when it comes to teaching? What is your USP as a teacher? And we'll discuss today about only this thing because it's a big thing in hypnotherapy, that how exactly you are able to promote yourself. So what is your USP as a teacher?
Confident delivery of the content that I teach to my undergraduate students. And this could be without like continuous 2 hours I can talk to them related to my content matter.
Okay.
And the trust that the children have in me, the students have in me, so they rely, I mean to say, this is my USP, that they can come and discuss their personal problems, and definitely I'll be a guiding light for them.
Okay. So what is the subject which you teach?
This is related to the BA B.Ed course, which is a 4-year integrated course. So I teach them compulsory English and the content knowledge related to English. Plus at the higher classes, at the final year and so on, I teach them evaluation, that is statistics, mean, median, mode, and all those calculations.
So your USP is that you can continuously deliver the lecture for 2 hours, 3 hours,
Yes,
and children believe in you.
yes,
But then what is your USP? That is your quality, that people are attracted, students are attracted towards you because you are able to do it. What is your USP in that? Unique selling proposition, that because that is your job. You are delivering lectures for 2 hours, 3 hours. You are paid for that.
yeah.
So what is your USP then? Think over it. You have a USP in that. But what is that? Delivering lectures for 2 hours is not your USP. There might be teachers, or even when I give a workshop, like non-stop 8 hours, I have given a workshop, even without sitting for 5 minutes. So that is not a USP. That is like we are paid for that. What is the USP in that? USP is always unique selling proposition, that for which people are paying you. Your USP in that case should be your, I have brought you close to that point.
My subject knowledge.
Subject knowledge, competency in subject knowledge.
Yes,
That
competency
should be the
related
USP.
to teaching learning.
A competency in subject knowledge so that it becomes easy.
Yes,
That becomes USP, because there might be n number of professors in the college who can
Yes,
deliver
sir.
lectures for 8 hours.
yes, sir.
But they might not be that comfortable, or they might not be that approachable for the students the way you are.
Yes,
Your
the
USP
language
is your
fluency you
competence.
can say.
Yes.
Yeah, the language fluency you can say, the competencies in teaching learning that I have, or my teaching learning strategies that the students have observed in my lectures, and then they feel that yes, that they should attend my lectures.
Yes, subject
So this
knowledge
is my
very
USP.
important. Yes, subject knowledge is always important. So try to improve on your competency, and try to use the competency in a practical way, so that the person feels that yes, how different the things can be. For example, so like just off the topic, if I say Daffodils by William Wordsworth poem, what does it signify? Or maybe rainbow. Try to find out how differently you can apply these poems for your students. And I guarantee you that you will see an amazing transformation within yourself and also your students.
Yes,
Whether
sir,
it's
definitely
daffodils,
I'll do that. Yes,
whether it's
I'll
daffodils,
definitely do.
whether it's rainbow, or whatever poem you pick up. Like these are very simple poems which are taught in 5th standard, 5th, 6th, 7th. But people have done PhD even on these topics, because they are very profound and it will help you to understand. So whenever you are teaching your subject, increase your competency in that. Whether this Param is into engineering, whether Lalitji is into healing modality, whatever is your competency, try to build around the stories so that your competency becomes easy and people should be able to relate with it. क्योंकि अगर आप, like if you try to explain Hamlet to a 10 years old child, he will not understand. But if you try to explain Hamlet in form of a comics, probably a 10-year-old child will be able to handle it or understand it. And आजकल मिलते हैं सारे comic form में. So try to make it as interesting as possible in whichever field you are. Because in hypnosis, the biggest rule is there is no rule in hypnosis. And it can be applied anywhere, no matter where you are. It's not only about sitting somewhere in the chair and making your clients relax and all those things. That is like a part of hypnosis. You should be able to use it in your daily life, no matter where you are. And try to relate the things. School में जो 8th standard में, like I remember we had Ren and Martin book in 8th standard, in which figures of speech, metaphors, was taught. Metaphors are specifically meant to relate the things in one or the other way. So that even जैसे मराठी में एक कहावत है, शाल जोड़ी तुम जोड़ा मारने, means making a person understand without even telling him that what mistake you have done, or making him understand what exactly you want to convey. क्या वो सांप मरे और लाठी भी ना टूटे. That is metaphor, because you make the person understand what exactly you want to convey. So try to build your stories also. छोटे-छोटे stories जो है आपके बच्चों को जब आप सुनाओगे. Yesterday the story which I told you about the donkey, utilizing the existing resources. Existing resources को utilize करने के लिए कल स्टोरी बोली थी. वैसे छोटे-छोटे अगर आप खुद के लिए स्टोरीज बनाओगे, so you will see that things are getting much better. Now we have something for writing also. मैं ऐसे किसी को आज छोड़ूंगा ही नहीं. रचना जी आएगी क्या वापस?
Yes sir, I'm back.
You are back?
Yes sir.
ठीक है, थोड़ा सा लिख लेंगे, फिर उसके बाद you will be doing one session on someone whom I pick alternately. और टॉपिक भी उसी टाइम पे डिसाइड करेंगे, आपके दिमाग में भी नहीं है क्या है, but we'll do it. You are ready for that?
Yes sir.
चलो फिर, आई एम हैप्पी फॉर दिस. यस जब कोई कहता है ना तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
विवेक जी, मैं एक टैगलाइन भी यूज करता हूँ.
हाँ जी सर, कहिए ना.
मैं एक टैगलाइन भी यूज करता हूँ, क्लियरिंग पाथ फॉर योर फ्यूचर ग्रोथ. अंग सत्वा के नीचे जो टैगलाइन यूज करता हूँ, क्लियरिंग पाथ फॉर योर फ्यूचर ग्रोथ. लेकिन ग्रोथ के बाद मैं छोड़ता नहीं, उसके आगे मैं 3 डॉट जरूर लगाता हूँ. ग्रोथ मीन्स ऑनगोइंग प्रोसेस.
ऑनगोइंग प्रोसेस सर, 3 की जगह 2 लगाए तो
कुछ और चीज भी देख रहा हूँ उसके
अच्छा,
साथ,
फिर
इस
ठीक
कारण मैं 3 कर रहा हूँ.
ठीक है.
प्लस जो अंक सत्व लिखता हूँ कि दोनों तरफ 3-3 स्टार बनाता हूँ. नंबर 6 को भी करता हूँ, और बट स्टार्स जो हैं कहीं ना कहीं एक सबलिनियल मैसेज दिमाग में छोड़ देते हैं कि दी बेस्ट का. प्लस इसमें भी लोगों में भी सबलिनियल मैसेजेस हैं जो शायद आपने भी मिस कर दिया. कई सारी चीज़ें हैं इस अकेले लोगों में.
मैंने सिर्फ एक अल्फा देखा उसमें, बिकॉज़ आई एम नॉट अ लोगो एक्सपर्ट.
इसमें जितना भी कुछ भी लाइफ में अप्स एंड डाउन्स आए, ये अप जाना ही जाना है. कलर कॉम्बिनेशन भी इसी कारण उसी रेशो में चेंज किए गए हैं. ये गोल्डन रेशो में है, अपवर्ड मूवमेंट में है, अंबार लगाया है सर.
वो सब ध्यान में आया, बट वो स्टार्स मुझे नहीं दिखे. बाकी कलर ध्यान में आया, अपवर्ड मूवमेंट देखा. अंक सत्व में सबसे लास्ट वाला जो V है, V और A is a very profound thing which you must have given a thought that why you have made it. वो सब मुझे स्टार्स नहीं दिखाई दिए, बाकी अपवर्ड मूवमेंट दिखाई दिया. कलर कॉम्बिनेशन
नहीं, स्टार्स में मैसेजेस में यूज करता हूँ सर.
क्योंकि सबलिमिनल में यहाँ पे अंक सत्व का जो ये है आपका जो कलर है, वो भी अल्फा से लेके ऊपर जाते जाते अलग हुआ है. So that is giving, जब इस सत्व के पास आता है तो वो ज्यादा ब्राइट है, अंक से चालू होते हुए. मतलब like if you have studied about
साधुता से सूर्य की ओर, साधुता से सूर्य की ओर चमक मोस्ट.
I would also relate this with Rutherford's gold foil experiment. जो गोल्ड फॉइल का उन्होंने एक्सपेरिमेंट किया था, जहां से ये अल्फा पार्टिकल्स बाहर एमिट हुए थे. वो पर हमको याद होगा, इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग में पढ़ा थे. तो दिस अल्फा पार्टिकल्स एमिट अ वेरी पॉजिटिव आउटकम, क्योंकि ये सारा अल्फा में से बाहर निकला है, तो ये आपको बहुत ज्यादा सक्सेस देगा, डेफिनेटली सक्सेस देगा. So you have done a very amazing logo, बहुत ही अच्छा किया है.
और 23rd पे रखा है स्पेशल.
यस सर, आपने किया है तो कोई चांस ही नहीं है. नहीं, सच में बहुत अच्छा है.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. इसमें मैं कभी कभी ANC भी यूज करता हूँ K की जगह.
ओके.
वो उसकी एनर्जी बैलेंस करने के लिए वो भी करता हूँ.
आपने बहुत ही अच्छा किया है. बट डिजाइन करा के दिया किसी से मतलब?
हाँ, ये मैंने ग्राफ पे बना के दिया था किसी को, इंदौर से है कोई, उनको दिया था. उन्होंने इसको मतलब सॉफ्ट कॉपी बना के दिया मुझे, जो मैंने कहा, जैसे जैसे कहा. उन्होंने तो इसके ऊपर एक वो लगाया था, क्राउन लगा दिया था, मैंने हटवाया. मैं कहा नहीं, ओवरडू नहीं देना, जितना सिंपल रहे और सिंपल मैसेज जाए, और जो हमारा मेन पर्पस है. आप देखो कि मैंने एस को ज़्यादा वैल्यू नहीं दी, इतनी ज़्यादा इसमें, क्योंकि एस सांप है ना, तो सांप को दवाई रहने दो तो बेटर है, इसलिए उसको बीच में पकड़ रखा है.
लॉजिक. चलो अभी बाकी सब लोग थोड़ा थोड़ा लिख लो. ज्यादा नहीं दूंगा मैं लिखने के लिए, सिर्फ 25 वर्ड्स ही बताऊंगा, so that it will help you in your own way.
जो आप ये सिर दर्द के लिए करते हो वो भी प्लीज़ बताना, क्योंकि जब से मैं मम्मी का करके आया था मेरे को भी पेन हो रहा था. जब आपने श्वेता जी को करवाया ना, तो मैंने भी कंसंट्रेट किया, बस उसके बाद से सिर दर्द खत्म हो गया उसी समय,
है ना?
हाँ, वो ठीक हो
करना
गया.
क्या है, सभी लोगों को बता देता हूँ. इसको एक्चुअली ऑनेस्ट के मैंने पेटेंट के लिए अप्लाई किया है, बट वो अभी भी सब पेंडिंग में है. इट वर्क्स. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज, ब्रेन का राइट एंड लेफ्ट हेमिस्फीयर, जस्ट एक मिनट, पेन होगा. This pain also can go if the person believes. ये मैंने किया हुआ है. And that lady stays in our society. She was not able to walk. आज comfortable सवेरे 3 से 4 किलोमीटर चलती है. So it makes a difference that how you are giving the command. ये आसान कमांड है, इसको और डेप्थ में ले जाया जा सकता है, but it works in the simple way कि जो भी प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है उसी को एक्चुअली बोलो and confuse your brain. किसी भी क्लाइंट को 5 मिनट में ये रिजल्ट दे सकता है. नाउ इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू कि क्लाइंट को एक थेरेपी में ठीक करना है या 4-5 थेरेपी के लिए बुलाना है. जिसको चाहिए वो तीसरे या चौथे थेरेपी में इसको करके उसका सिर दर्द निकाल सकता है. जिसको चाहिए वो पहले इसमें भी कर सकता है, बट इट वर्क्स. So use
So
it.
you make a infinity sign or you just like cross it?
Infinity. And then once the person is focused out at infinity, then cross it.
Okay.
Then cross it. Anyway, confuse his brain, but start with the infinity. So the brain continuously goes into that thing. And a person can see result in 5 minutes. बहुत हो गया 5 मिनट.
So like if someone had a burning sensation on feet actually, like for
Your feet
last
are burning.
around 15 years almost.
Your feet are burning. You're feeling a burning sensation in your feet. You're feeling a burning sensation in your feet. करके देखो, होगा. क्योंकि जनरली डायबिटिक न्यूरोपैथी में पैर जलते हैं बहुत ज्यादा.
But he is not diabetic actually. He has done everything,
MRI किया है? Cervical
What?
spine.
Yes,
Cervical spine, MRI.
yes. MRI and whatever possible ways are there. उन्होंने सब कुछ ट्राई
Then
किया है.
probably it is only related to his mind. आप ये एक्सपेरिमेंट कर दो, हो जाएगा.
I'll try.
हो जाए, yeah, don't try, do it. Do it. It will
Okay, I'll
happen.
do it.
It will happen.
सर ये
विवेक
खुद
जी,
सर
ये
ये खुद
हम
पे कर सकते हैं क्या सर ये
क्या क्या
ये हम खुद के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं क्या सर?
खुद के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हो, खुद के लिए कैसे करने का वो भी देख लो मेरे तरफ. You have to just rotate your eyes. Like my head is spinning, my head is spinning, my head is spinning, my head is spinning. दो मिनट के लिए आपका सिर भारी हो जाएगा, but you will be able to see the result.
मिरर में देख के भी कर सकते हैं.
मिरर में देख के भी कर सकते हैं, या अगर मिरर नहीं है तो भी बस ऐसे बैठे बैठे आंखों को इंफिनिटी साइन में घुमाओ. इट विल हेल्प यू. कहीं पर भी बॉडी में पेन है तो उस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट का, लाइक माय लोअर बैक इज पेनिंग, माय लोअर बैक इज पेनिंग, माय लोअर बैक इज पेनिंग, यू विल सी द रिजल्ट्स. होगा, भले 5 की जगह 10 मिनट लगेंगे, बट लगेगा, होगा. But I have been using all these techniques, whatever it is. जब मैंने अपने गर्दन पे जब सहा था ना, तो मैंने दुनिया में जो भी पॉसिबल है, जो भी इम्पॉसिबल है, सब ट्राई करके देखा है, एंड इट वर्क्स. क्योंकि जब आग लगती है ना, तो जान बचाने के लिए इंसान कुछ भी करता है. सो बिलीव इन इट एंड इट विल हैपन. सब कुछ पॉसिबल होता है दुनिया में. So now we'll do some writing work.
सर आपने वो पैसे वाला भी बताना था, वो
1000 रुपए एक्स्ट्रा दे दो.
And tell thought transfer also.
2000 रुपए एक्स्ट्रा.
Okay.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सर बिल्कुल.
सर
दे
इस
देंगे
समय सब
सर. 2
सब
लाख
hypnotize है, आप
कमा
बोलिए,
रहे
हम
हैं
लोग
तो
ready है.
फिर हम लोग दे देंगे.
कौन कमा रहा है 2 लाख?
2 लाख अगर कोई लौटा रहा है तो हम 1000 आपको दे देंगे.
One more thing, like jokes apart, but whenever we do conditional things, things never happen. And I can give you in writing. Whenever we do conditional things, things never happen. For example, जो लोग भगवान को ये मन्नत करते हैं ना कि मेरा ये काम पूरा होगा तो मैं तुझे चढ़ाऊंगा, आपका काम जिंदगी में कभी कंप्लीट नहीं होगा.
ट्रू सर, ट्रू.
Try to follow the principles which are being taught in pranic healing, what they term as arhatik, that donate something out of whatever you have. You will get in multiples. But whenever we give, whenever we keep a condition, and लोग generally conditional statements ही रखते हैं भगवान के लिए. People try to keep a condition that if so and so thing is done, I'll do this in your temple. This never works. It will never work. Like, jokes apart, and I'm not going to charge anything for it, but the thing is, never have a conditional mind that if this happens, I'll do that. We are not living in the machine world. Even if we are living in the machine world, we are not machines. Conditions रख के कुछ भी करोगे तो कभी भी कोई भी result नहीं आएगा. At least when it comes to life. आज मैंने बहुत अच्छी लाइन एक पढ़ी दोपहर को फेसबुक पे, एंड वाज वेरी नाइस. की मतलब स्लीपिंग इज योर राइट, बट वेकिंग अप इज गॉड्स विश. सो बी थैंकफुल टू गॉड. आज बहुत अच्छा किसी ने किसी ग्रुप में पोस्ट किया हुआ था, स्लीपिंग इज योर बर्थ राइट, नो डाउट, बट वेकिंग अप इज योर गॉड्स विश. So always be grateful while you are sleeping that yes, I'm thankful for whatever things I have in. और एक वर्ड मैंने शायद पहले भी बताई होगी. Graveyards in the world are filled with the people who always thought they are irreplaceable. So never think कि हाँ मेरे जैसा कोई नहीं, ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है. एंड ये HMRL में बहुत बड़े बड़े लाइन्स में लिखा हुआ है. HMRL is one of the best organizations in India for developing high explosives. पुणे में है, 900 एकड़ का एरिया है उनका. But the moment you enter the campus, गेट पर भी लिखा हुआ है उनके, so that you shed off your ego and go inside the office. वही अगर आप इंडियन नेवी का जो कुलाबा का लायंस गेट है, वहां पे देखो, वहां तो उनके ऐसा है, वी आर अलाउड टू शूट एट साइट. You trespassers are definitely shooted. You just can't enter inside. वो पूछेंगे भी नहीं आप लोगों से, सीधा गोली मार देंगे. And they have every right to shoot you. So never try to cross the limits when it is not needed, but also be humble where you really want to be. मतलब आप नहीं जा सकते तो नहीं जा सकते वहां पर. नेवी का प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया है, सीधा गोली मार सकते हो वहां पे वो. And no one will ask them. So don't have conditional statements in life. कभी भी मत रखो. So now we'll try to write down some few words. First is ability to. ये आपको कहाँ use करने हैं? Where you have to use these words? You have to use your own common sense and use them. I'll just give the word and a bit of explanation about that so that you can use it wherever you want. In whichever place, at whatever point of the sentence, you can use it as per your wish, but I guarantee you that if you start using these words, your life will be different. Even your script will be different, your hypnotherapy will be different. So first is ability to. Ability to. And now comes the explanation for that. This word triggers the visualization for a guided fantasy to occur in the mind. It encourages the subject, matlab client.
Sir, repeat from beginning. This word triggers the visualization
And allows for a guided fantasy.
allow
For a guided fantasy
guided fantasy
to occur in the mind. It encourages the subject to believe that he or she can accomplish something with a newfound skill, for example. Accomplish something with a newfound skill. For example, who would like to give an example? कौन example देना चाहेगा? Ability to से use करना है. The word should be ability to. Who can make a sentence?
You have the ability to complete your work on time.
ठीक है, बट मेरा थोड़ा सा जो लास्ट लाइन जो मैंने स्पेसिफिकली लिखी बताई, यूज एबिलिटी टू फॉर हेल्पिंग अ पर्सन टू गेन द कॉन्फिडेंस फॉर द स्किल विच ही और शी हैज जस्ट लर्नड. अभी आपने हिप्नोसिस सीखा है, उसी से रिलेटेड सेंटेंस.
Sir, you have the ability to follow my commands and go to the world we are क्या कह सकते हैं?
इतना कॉम्प्लिकेशन मत बनाओ भाई साहब लाइफ को.
Sir, you have ability to be a great hypnotherapist.
और आसान बनाओ.
You have ability to take anyone in a deep trance.
और आसान बनाओ.
You have the ability to
So
hypnotize.
you have the ability to visualize.
और आसान बनाओ.
You have the ability to relax.
be happy.
और आसान बनाओ.
You have the ability to climb the mountain.
मैं अगर इसको सिंपल सेंटेंस में बोलूं, ability to use hypnosis can make you miracles. सिंपल रखो, सामने वाले के दिमाग में जाना चाहिए. ये आपने जो सेंटेंसेस बोले ना, हर एक सेंटेंस बिल्कुल सही था. But for example, suppose tomorrow if you are teaching something, say someone is taking a Reiki class, before you leave them finally, you should give them the confidence, the ability to use Reiki in the daily life will help you to earn good amount of money. Simple, उसके दिमाग में सब कुछ गया है एक ही सेंटेंस में. एबिलिटी टू पे सबसे ज्यादा फोकस दो, द एबिलिटी टू यूज दिस। मतलब क्या, you are giving him a confidence in the mind that you already have this ability. Put it in the positive word. But if you say that you have the ability of this वगैरह, you have जब कहोगे ना, तो probably he might doubt that whether I have really learned. But when you directly say the ability to use Reiki in your daily life can help you create miracles, compulsory उसके subconscious mind में जाएगा that yes, I have the ability. The ability to drive the car can make you reach on time. वो नहीं भी गाड़ी चलाना जानता होगा तो भी वो बोलेगा कि at least his mind will strike that yes, I need to drive a car. I need to learn to drive the car. Second word, allow it to happen. अब उसका explanation बताता हूँ. It triggers the affirmative subconscious response. To a prior hypnotic suggestion. Also, it helps you to reduce the opposition
Please repeat.
or resistance
Also, it helps you to
reduce the opposition or resistance to a suggestion by negating the need to take an immediate action. Who would like to make a simple sentence out of this? Allow
Excuse
it to
me?
happen. Yes, please.
it, sir, थोड़ा सा छूट गया मेरा. It triggers the affirmative subconscious response prior with suggestions.
Prior to a hypnotic suggestion.
Prior to a
सर क्लास चालू है, थोड़ा कॉल करूँगा 12:30. हाँ बोलो. हाँ हाँ. सॉरी. सो कौन इसका बता पाएगा? पल्लवी, तुम्हारा कुछ क्वेश्चन था that response to prior hypnotic suggestion, it helps you to reduce the opposition and the resistance to the suggestion by negating the need to take the immediate action on something. ये लंबा चौड़ा तो इंग्लिश में हो गया, इसका सिंपल सेंटेंस कौन बताएगा?
Allow your hand to move.
हाँ.
If you have
As
given if you given already a prior suggestion that your hand is stiff or something like that, and then we are giving a suggestion that, then we can use this word.
डेफिनेटली यार, इसको अगर और सिंपल तरीके से देखते हैं, जैसा मराठी में हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, अब भाई तू करके तो देख. Allow it to
yourself
happen.
to do.
For example, allow it to happen and you see the miracle happening.
Yeah.
करके देख, miracle होगा. Allow it to happen. Allow it to happen that you are going deep inside your mind and see how differently you can see you are coming out. यहाँ पे आप उसको डीप में भी लेके गए, बाहर भी लेके आए. भले इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन थोड़ा सा आपको कॉम्प्लिकेशन लगे, बट ट्राई टू मेक सिंपल सेंटेंसेस. अगला उसमें उससे भी आसान है. And trust me, if you use these words in your daily life, your life will change. Because hypnosis is not only about taking a person into trance and doing all those magic, it's about using it in their daily life. Second, fourth, third जो भी है.
Third one.
हाँ, third one लिख लो. And would you like to? And would you like to? अब इसका explanation. It allows for a hypnotic suggestion to be made. For example, who would like to do it? कौन बताएगा? And would you like to? हमने इतने 8-10 दिनों में बहुत बार इस तरह के सेंटेंस यूज किए. Who would like to make a small sentence?
And would you like to volunteer?
Yes, very good. And
And
would you like to go?
to join the upcoming course?
बिल्कुल. वो आऊंगा मैं. And would you like?
And would you like to come with me? Would you like to go in the
And would you like to sleep and experience that peace of mind?
mind?
So whether the person likes or not, he chooses to go into sleep, a relaxation. Then anybody.
विवेक जी, ये जो था एंड वुड यू लाइक टू, ये तो मतलब जरूरी नहीं है, वैसे तो नॉर्मली भी यूज होता है कई बार.
हाँ, अभी भी वो हिप्नोटिक कमांड ही यूज होता है. अगर आप जब भी बोलते हो ना, तो इट गिव्स अ प्रोफाउंड इफेक्ट ऑफ हिप्नोटिक ओनली, दैट वुड यू लाइक टू डू दिस. मतलब इनडायरेक्टली आप उसको बोल रहे हो, भाई तू करना ही है तुझे, whether you like it not, whether you like it or not, whether you like it or not, क्योंकि उसके बाद वाला कमांड ही उसके दिमाग में जाता है. वुड यू लाइक टू कम विथ मी, वो 99% यस बोलेगा. एनीबडी. आज का सेशन बहुत बोर हो गया, शायद 19 लोग ही बचे हैं. But then sometimes bore helps. It implies that the statement is true for everyone and also presents an undeniable truth.
So repeat. It implies.
It implies that the statement is true for everyone and also presents an undeniable truth or the fact of the life. Anybody can learn. Simple.
So and denies the.
Denies कब बोला मैंने?
It
Implies बोला.
Undeniable.
Implies that the statement is true for everyone and also presents the undeniable truth.
Okay, and also presents.
हाँ. Implies that the statement is true for everyone and also presents an undeniable truth or the fact of the life. मतलब anybody can do it. Anybody can dance. ABCD जो पिक्चर आया था. थोड़ा बोर लगेगा, but then try to bear with me. As soon as, मैं ज्यादा नहीं लगाऊंगा लिखने को, don't worry. As soon as it allows you to link the secondary suggestions with the primary thing which has to be done. Or the primary motive. As soon as you lift the jug, for example, as soon as you lift the jug, the place will be empty.
विवेक जी, प्लीज 2 बार बोल दीजिए कि क्योंकि नेट बीच में गड़बड़ कर रहा है तो सुनाई नहीं देता. It allows you to link to the secondary.
It allows you to link to the secondary hypnotic command with the prior motive ही कह लीजिए उसको, with the prior motive or what prior thing which has to be done. तो जैसे as soon as you open the door, you will see a cool air, you will experience a cool air coming in. As soon as you lift the jug, the space will be empty. और 8-10 है, मैं आपको लिख के भेज दूंगा. I will not take much of your time today on this. But these things will help you in a big way. Rachna, you are there? Like you are ready to
Yes,
take
sir.
a small session?
Okay, sir.
Pakka?
हाँ,
Or you are tired?
नहीं sir.
Okay.
So before session, starting session, can I say something?
Please go ahead.
एक सबसे important चीज, thanks a lot to all group members because आज शाम को थोड़ा सा tense थी, but when I was driving आप लोगों ने इतना मतलब मुझे happy कर दिया अपने sentences से. Whatever you said, you teased me, but literally I'm thankful to you. You made me smile today.
चलो great. That's all the group
Thank
is
you
meant to
everyone.
be. खुश रहो सब लोग.
I
हंसते खेलते
I
रहो.
got so many friends with me.
होता है.
एंड सर दूसरी चीज के लिए आपको थैंक यू बोलना था बिकॉज जो उस दिन आपने मेरी सास के लिए बताया था मैजिक वाटर के लिए,
हाँ.
वाटर चार्ज करके उनके पेन को कम करने के लिए,
हाँ.
तो इट वर्क बट ये है कि शी वाज नॉट बिलीविंग इन ऑल दीज थिंग्स. तो मैंने उनको यही कहा था कि डॉक्टर ने आपके लिए मेडिसिन भेजी है, वो मैं पानी में डाल के दे रही हूँ.
Perfect.
तो बस उनके बिलीफ सिस्टम पे वर्क किया एंड आई चार्ज इट एंड 5 days से आई कैन सी शी इज वेरी मच रिलैक्स्ड. और उनके जो छाले थे वो भी काफी रिड्यूस हो गए हैं.
बिल्कुल हो जाएगा because finally it is the faith, it is the belief which works. आप पानी को गंगा जल की तरह यूज करके भी बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट ले सकते हो.
तो मैंने
पानी
उसमें
को
बस 2
जहर की
बूंद
तरह
रोज
भी use
वाटर
कर
डाल
सकते
के उनको दिया था बट इट वर्क.
हो. It will work. It will absolutely work because the belief works. And again I say that the success of the treatment lies in the regime of the doctor who does it, not on the medicine. And this has been given, this statement is declared by a doctor itself, because जब डॉक्टर अपने को कहते हैं कि तू ठीक होगा इस दवाई से, तो हम 100% ठीक होते हैं. That belief which doctor gives us is most important. So use belief and you will see that things are happening in a better way. So अब कौन आएगा? Okay, the session which Rachna will do will be giving a confidence to the person to make him feel that he will do good, he will do best in his life. Okay, and chalo, I'll choose this guy, youngest in the group.
Param.
Rachna, you are doing a session on him. Okay, I'll just brief about him. Param, hope you are okay with it. I'll just brief small background about you. Rachna, to just brief you, he has his entire family responsibilities right now. And he needs to gain that confidence that he has to come up and help his mother and entire family so that things are getting better. So you give him that confidence, all yours. उसको गर्लफ्रेंड वैसे भी पल्लवी ढूंढ के देने वाली है, तो उसकी मम्मी की शादी की चिंता दूर हो गई. अभी आप उसको कॉन्फिडेंस दे दो.
And the process will be same, sir. पहले induction, then deepener.
पहले इंडक्शन, डीपनर, एंड डीपनर में ले जाके उसको जो भी आपको करना है, you do your process, you do your process, you do it your way. I trust you that you will give him the best. सिर्फ एक बात ध्यान में रखना, जब उसको कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ाना है तो डीपनेस जो है वो नीचे से ऊपर ले जाने हैं.
1 to 5 जाना था 10 में.
नहीं, 1 to 10 कर दो ज्यादा, क्योंकि he has
हाँ, मतलब counting will be in a not in reverse.
काउंटिंग में भी. हाँ,
in a
पहले उसको
progressive.
नीचे, पहले उसको
हाँ.
कंप्लीट नीचे लेके जाओ. इंडक्शन गहरा दो, make him believe that things are happening, and then give the deepener for coming up. And at the last, once he is completely out of that well, या जो जहां भी तुम लेके जाओ, उसके बाद फिर उसके माइंड को रिलैक्स करके रिलीज कर दो. ठीक है, चलो डू इट.
I'll try. पर बेटा तो पिन कर दो, कैसे पिन होगा? Param, are you ready? Param, unmute कर लो in case if you have any problem, you can share.
Everything is all right, ma'am. You can go with it.
Okay, fine. Just trust me.
Absolutely, I'm sure.
You trust me and you will do it. Okay, fine. First of all, sit in a relaxed position. Don't cross your legs and hands. जैसे भी comfortable, just take your position, then I will start. पीछे कुछ चुप तो नहीं रहा, otherwise keep a pillow. बाद में चुभेगा तो नींद उतर. Okay, fine. Just close your eyes. Take 5 deep breaths. Slowly, very slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Very slowly. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Once again, inhale. And exhale. I'll go bilingual with you, not only English, not only Hindi, so you can understand it better. Just relax. Take one more deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Completely lose your body. एकदम relaxed हो जाओ. And as I count from 25 to 15, आप धीरे धीरे deep sleep में जाने लगोगे. 25. Keep on breathing. Just focus on your breath. आप अपना breath पे count भी कर सकते हो. 24. 23. 22. They're going in deep sleep. 21. 20. And now you are going to more deep sleep. आपको नींद आ रही है and you are feeling sleepy. धीरे धीरे till the time I'm counting to 10, आप अपनी neck पे control lose कर दोगे. It will fall towards left or right. 19. Take a deep breath. 18. 17. You're losing control on your neck. 16. 15. You're very comfortable. Just relax. 14. 13. 12. 11. 10. You're going into more deep sleep. Keep on deep breathing. Inhale, exhale. You're going into more deep sleep and you're getting more relaxed. As I count to 1, 9, 8, 7. You're going into more deep sleep. You're completely relaxed and sleepy. 6, 5, 4, 3. You are in complete deep sleep and allow yourself to follow the command and visualize the process of being more confident. 2 and 1. Now imagine yourself in a big room where stairs are going upside towards the terrace, and that room is completely full of golden flowers, and those stairs are with silver flowers. Imagine yourself holding a crown in your hand and going up to the stairs. You are climbing upside, standing on first step, feeling more confident that yes, I can climb up and I can achieve to the top and wear that crown over my head. Step 2, then climb on the step 3, climb upstairs then. Step 4, step 5, and you can see a little bit small window over there, and you can see beautiful clouds over there, beautiful birds are chirping over there, and you are getting more excited to climb up to the terrace. You are holding the crown very carefully in your hand. Step number 5. Step 6. You are feeling so happy and smiling like a small kid. Yes, I can do it. Go to the step 3. Go up to the next stair. Only one more stair is left. And you're so excited to wear that crown. And you can see a beautiful sky, beautiful trees, and beautiful birds over there. It's a very beautiful, just like your dream come true. Go to the next step, and this is the last step. You reached over there. Wow. Just hold that crown on your head and be grateful that yes, I'm the king of my own world. I can do anything what I want. I have all the powers I'm getting into me. And those clouds are giving, and those birds are showering blessings on you. And you are so blessed. You are jumping with good, all happiness with you. And you're so happy over there and full of confidence. Yes, I can do it. And I'll surely do it. As you have reached that crown, just relax over there, you are feeling happy over there. And now you are coming back to the same position. And you are, as I count from 10 to 1, will come back again, come down to that room where you were staying earlier. 10, 9, 8, 7. Still you are carrying that happiness and confidence with you, and you are coming down back to the room to fulfill your all responsibilities. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You are back to the room, and as I'll count from 5 to 1, will come back to your all senses. You have all hold, all command on your body, but with same confidence and same happiness. 5, 4, 3, 2. As I count 1, you have to open your eyes and come back to your all senses. 2 and 1. Param, come back to the same position. Open your eyes slowly, very slowly. Rub your palms and just put on your eyes and get relaxed. You're completely blessed with all confidence and happiness you brought up with you. Thank you.
Really very awesome, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sir, you are on mute.
Whenever you are giving any command for improving the self-confidence, while giving the deepness, make sure that you also give an anchor that henceforth, whenever you touch your thumb and the index finger, you will again come back to the same happy position or the confident position, so that you are able to revive this strength or revive this particular thing. बाकी एकदम perfect था, no doubt about it.
सर परफेक्ट नहीं तो मैं खुद ही बीच में काउंटिंग भूल गई थी.
काउंटिंग भूलना, देखो इस एक बात हमेशा बोलता हूँ, whenever we are doing a session, chances
तो फर्स्ट
are,
टाइम किया लाइफ में.
नहीं
but,
मैं अपना भी एक्सपीरियंस बोलता हूँ, that whenever we are doing a session, chances are that we might forget something, but the skill lies that you overcome whatever you have forgotten and move forward. Because the moment you stumble upon the things, either the client will get to know or you will fail in your own eyes. So if something is happening, just overcome it and then on the return journey, fulfill it. मतलब अगर इंडक्शन डीप जाते वक्त हो रहा है, ठीक है, हो गया, बात खत्म. ऊपर आते वक्त उसको सुधार दो. Never feel that you have done anything wrong, because in the world there is nothing right or wrong. It is only our perception कि 15 के बाद 16 है, but अगर भूल गया 15 के बाद 17 बोल दिया तो कोई बहुत बड़ा पहाड़ नहीं टूटता है hypnotherapy में. So it doesn't make any difference. In fact, sometimes I have done, especially when in NLP, past painful memory, आपने भी देखा था, जब वो टीवी में जब हम वो burn करते हैं, and we throw that image upwards towards the sun. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Plus, वो 7, 6 के आसपास जितना उसको कंफ्यूज करते हो माइंड को, उतना वो जल्दी ट्रिगर हो जाता है. So also sometimes jumbling those particular words or numbers up and down helps. So never feel that you have done anything right or wrong. The only thing which is right or wrong is आप जो deepness देते हो, वो आप कमांड क्या देते हो. उस वक्त कोई गलत कमांड मत दे देना कि अपना मोटिव कंप्लीट करने के लिए कोई सामने वाले को ऐसे कमांड दो, तो probably that might not be accepted by his or her mind also. And अगर एक्सेप्ट कर लिया उसने, तो you are inviting a bad karma for yourself. Because many people do it with wrong motive, so never do that. It will help.
विवेक जी, अगर किसी ने कुछ ऐसा गलत कमांड दे रखा है हमें या कुछ, और हमें पता है, तो उससे हम बाहर कैसे आएंगे?
Okay. I'll remove both of you. अगर किसी ने ऑलरेडी आपको गलत कमांड दे के रखा है, तो जिस भी किसी चीज का आपको लगता है गलत कमांड है, वो स्पेसिफिकली उस चीज के लिए अगर आप ये बोलते हो that I choose to release myself from this trap, I choose to, so you will see that you are coming out of it. I want to अगर कहोगे ना तो नहीं होगा. I choose to come out of this trap. I choose to be happy. You will see that you are becoming happy. But if you say I want to be happy, you will never be happy. I choose to be happy. I choose to move out of this place. I choose to live a happy life. I choose to live a better life. It will help. I choose to word बहुत important है, ये बहुत immediately आपको निकालता है किसी भी चीज से.
Vivek sir,
हाँ जी.
we can affirm it like this also. No, I choose to be successful.
Absolutely, I choose to be successful in my life.
Okay.
Because that becomes your commitment as well as a positive affirmation.
Sir, can I share one thing?
बिल्कुल.
सर एक्चुअली पास्ट लाइफ रिग्रेशन का और एक दो जगह जैसे मैंने कराया था, बताया था आपको किसी के लिए.
हाँ.
तो वो क्या करते थे, लास्ट में पूछते थे मेरे लिए क्या मैसेज है. तो क्या वो सही है जो वो बार बार ये चीज, मतलब किसी को पास्ट लाइफ में लेके जा रहे हैं, उससे अपने लिए भी मैसेज पूछ रहे हैं, तो क्या सही है ऐसा करना?
Honestly, one should not do such things, because you have taken money or you have taken a fees for the client to find his solution. वो आपके लिए क्यों मैसेज लेके आए? नहीं आना चाहिए.
अब वो जैसे डीप मेडिटेशन में भी लेके जाते थे, तो उनका मेन ये होता था कि मेरे लिए क्या मैसेज है. अगर वो 10 लोगों को भी कराते थे तो ये पूछते थे कि मेरे लिए मैसेज पूछो.
अगर आपको खुद के लिए मैसेज कराना है तो खुद की थेरेपी कराना, दूसरे के कंधे पे बंदूक रख के नहीं करने का कभी. That is wrong, because you are secondly, suppose अगर मैसेज मिलता भी है,
हाँ जी,
probably you are inviting a wrong karma for yourself and things can go bad. Like I have done PLR, कुछ लोगों के लिए मैसेज ऐसे भी आते हैं कि for example I had done it for one of the Muslim girl. तो उनके लिए जो मैसेज आया था, वो मैसेज उनको वहीं पे जो मुझे मैसेज मिला था, वो वैसा मैसेज मैंने उनको बोला कि आप यहाँ जाके कुरान की ये वाले आयत में देखो. She got that message second day कि कुरान की आयत पढ़ने के बाद उनको पता चला उसमें क्या था. So this way you can take a message probably as you are a healer. अगर सामने वाले को कुछ गाइड करना है, if someone is feeling stuck and if you have developed your intuitive powers, even without doing a PLR, you can close your eyes, go to your higher consciousness, thinking about yes, what message you want. जो भी उनका धर्म ग्रंथ हो, भले आपने कभी पढ़ा ना हो, I can give you in writing. भले ही आपने पढ़ा ना हो, give a thought to your subconscious mind that I want a message from this particular book. It will come. जो मैंने कुरान के साथ ट्राई किया है, बाइबल के साथ किया है, गुरु ग्रंथ के साथ साहिब के साथ किया है, it works. Because all subconscious minds are connected. You get the message definitely, but किसी हीलर ने खुद के लिए मैसेज मांगना ये गलत है. बट आप किसी को मैसेज दे सकते हो.
तेरी बुक से तो आंसर किसी भी बुक से मिल जाता है. क्योंकि कुछ टाइम पहले आई डन दिस वेरियस टाइम्स, बट ये था कि मुझे इसका नॉलेज नहीं था. आज आप बताए तो मुझे याद आया कि समटाइम्स जब भी कोई कंफ्यूजन होता था, मैं रैंडमली कोई भी बुक खोलती थी, तो मुझे उसमें जिस पेज पे मैं सोचती थी, उस पेज पे मुझे उस चीज का कहीं ना कहीं से कनेक्ट होकर
एंजल मैसेज भी बोलते हैं.
इवन फिक्शन बुक्स में भी.
Yes,
it shows that angels are around you always.
कोई भी बुक ले दो आप,
कॉमिक्स में भी आंसर मिला है.
हर बुक में आंसर मिल जाता है. प्लस अगर आप सही तरीके से इंट्यूशन डेवलप करो तो यू कैन कनेक्ट विद एनी बुक इन द वर्ल्ड. बट ऑफ कोर्स इट रिक्वायर्स टाइम. इतना आसान नहीं है, बट यू कैन कनेक्ट. सेकेंडली यू कैन कनेक्ट विद एनी पर्सन इन द वर्ल्ड. चलो उसको भी अब अपने पास है, वैसे आप will 12:30 और 9 मिनट्स है. आज थोड़ा सा और ज्यादा टाइम लगाते हैं. those who have left, that is, we can't. Now, how to try to transfer thoughts to someone? इस बात को गांठ मार दो, ये पक्का काम करता है। रात को 10 बजे सोने से पहले एक कमांड देनी है कि once I am into alpha state of mind, I'll get up. अब जब आप उठ जाओगे, लाइट वाइट कुछ ऑन करने की जरूरत नहीं, ना मोबाइल देखने की जरूरत है, किसी ने कुछ व्हाट्सएप पे हाय हेलो भेजा, जस्ट सिट स्ट्रेट, take your pupils 20 degrees upwards, close your eyes and bring that person in front of you. अगर किसी से पैसे निकलवाने हैं